What's the meaning of courtly love? Courtly love. Courtly love.
Courtly love. Courtly love. Courtly love was a medieval European notion of love that emphasized chivalry, nobility, and devotion. It was typically practiced between a knight and a married noblewoman, where admiration and respect were expressed through poetry, songs, and romantic gestures. Courtly love often involved secret meetings and platonic love, as the woman was expected to remain faithful to her husband. The ultimate goal of courtly love was not physical intimacy but the spiritual union of the lovers. It influenced literature, art, and social values and still continues to impact modern perceptions of romance and love.